What I've noticed is a lot of the companies that are growing really quickly, really rapidly, really efficiently, and also really sustainably without causing so much strain and stress on the business owner themselves, a lot of those people utilize something that I think is underrated. And that thing is focus. It's very easy to lose our focus on the project we're working on, or the things we want to implement, or the goals that we're setting. The companies that have achieved the most in the shortest amount of time that I've been working with them, and the companies that have been achieving lots on a long-term basis, are incredibly good at setting a focus. If you can really nail it down to a few key things, a few key types of clients you want to work with, a few key strategies, a few key systems and processes that work seamlessly in the business, you will create a very simple business. Cleaning as a business model is very simple as long as we get incredibly focused on exactly where it is we want to go and we have accountability and support to get there. So my advice to you is, something I've learned from working with literally hundreds of cleaning companies from all over the world, is stay focused on one or two goals at a time. Stop spreading yourself too thin. Stop being like a magpie chasing shiny things. Focus is so important. If you can focus on a few key things, I guarantee you will grow even faster and even easier than you ever have before. If you need some help trying to figure out what those key things should be, you know where I am.